ki khubor nakashlem jong Nongstoiñ Hima.
Ki arngot ki Ñiah cycle na Guwahati ki pakentop yo santanu deta bermanish ke deka. Kleshimenta ha ka freedom ride daka banyak cycle na Shillong shdo Nongstoiñ. Teki jing shibenta jong ki arngot ki Ñiah cycle kalong rukum shibenta mandaki ka jingdap nyop san snam jong ka jingyo landut ka India lane ka azadi ka amrut mahot saf. Teki arngot kelas sedang ka teki Ñiah cycle daka jingkawai lama daka kenhun ki nathok khubor jong ka TNT na Shillong. Pada pedang subharu yaki Nongstoiñ da uba tilingwa IAS Deputy Commissioner pada uba HG Lingda IPS SP ke West Coast Hills District. Lai tu bakini Ñiah cycle klamina Shillong hakapor riu bejem step pasau kenta kala shimpor yaki manpoi Nongstoiñ.
Pedang kurang ini nomor bagede ki brio ki bala pauna hakapor si ndai tampo region ndai tampo India ndai tampo region Norway neki dari wala ke kieu yang ulum Everest wala kieu jadi nuclear ki 100 ki highest peak jong ke pasai nang way berana ki udah wala jo katakan nam kum Iron Man ko New Zealand barna Australia te kini ada di report mat jong ka rien dia ni ke sampai tengku tak bagian kajing ya kalau kau bagi rakyat yang jeng tak punya function ka jeng lagi duk dari India di kiwan jenis rak cycle wan rakyat tak message wan kita kata awareness sekarang ini jeng lagi jong ka rien dia jeng ke hata patut bagi yang sohai apa warna kalau kajingwan jong ini gibreo ka I mention yani but ya ki pai ba jong district aba ki pai ba yo I bagi ni apalagi bagi ya STI cycle te ka I mention me ki mentang ngilai I apo Nongstoiñ la khammi ki khna ki we chong cycle kham tam le we ki bai mare step we ka step ka kini ka culture jong ka fitness kelas dang bandan ni po district ni te ngakentu ya ki pai ba khatam lagi samla bakin ya sim ini kabu batro ban pentrot di kini ki bre ki wan chini mar ki wan chini da commission jong ka ta ji thu jing ki ka bom ha mbe ki thu ke kunta pentrot ki pai ba ni than bakin sim ni kini kusa sim ni kabu banyak persang ban jale dan kembali lagi.
Started around 6 o'clock in the morning, and the weather was very nice in the morning because there was a little bit of rain, so the air was very nice and no traffic. The road conditions are good, and we reached much earlier than than we expected.
And how many hours it takes?
How long?
I think today we took around 4 hours. No, less than 4 hours. Less than 4 hours.
So this is just for an adventure or for something else also?
Yeah, adventure at the same time promote the sport of cycling, promote the region, everything. So everything goes hand in hand. All remain fit, all the citizens remain fit, and cycling is a very good way to remain fit and explore at the same time new places.
We long time want to come this place, and we had very clean and very clean air, and the roads are very good, and we want to promote the cycle along with the 75 years independence also going on. There is a main reason.
Actually, we have heard a lot about the stretch from Shillong to Nongstoiñ from many people. So we wanted to explore it, and at the same time go back and promote this place Nongstoiñ, because it's not known very much in Guwahati or in Assam or in other parts. So people, when they come to Meghalaya, they come to Shillong, they go to Cherrapunji and Dauki and all this, Then people can come here and explore this beautiful place, because the road conditions are so good, so clean, the views are so amazing. The people will just love it, and cyclists like us will just love this, because it is unparalleled. You don't find this anywhere near.
Lots of scope because of the terrain of this area. There's lots of scope for local boys and girls. If they start running and cycling, they can go higher extent like national, international level. We have seen
Really ideal place for
there's an ideal place. See, the people from Indian team and other teams, they used to go for the high altitude trek. So I believe that this place is perfect place for that. Make it like cycling and running halves only. This area, very good, beautiful terrain for this practice.